Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to the parent account on the Ps5 and be ready to enter the 4-digit PIN. Navigate to Settings, then select Family and Parental Controls to access restriction options. Confirm the Ps5 system software is up to date and connected to the internet for settings to apply. Locate the child account under Family Management to prepare for changes. Keep the current PIN available in case the system requests verification. Have a backup plan to contact PlayStation support if you cannot access the parent account. From Family and Parental Controls, open Family Management and select the child account you need to change. When prompted, enter the 4-digit PIN to unlock parental controls and access restriction toggles. Find console restrictions and set the option to off to remove age and content locks on the console. Adjust other controls like spending limit and communication restrictions as desired. For example, set spending limit to /bin/sh if purchases should remain blocked. Save your changes and follow on-screen. Sign into the child account to test access to previously restricted games or apps and confirm restrictions are lifted. Restart the Ps5 after saving settings to ensure changes fully apply across system services and titles. If a purchase or communication block remains, recheck Family Management settings and toggle the specific controls off. Change the old 4-digit PIN to a new secure number and store it in a secure location for future use. Communicate the change to household members and document the new settings for later review if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.